How to set up crash alert on Waze app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Waze app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Here, click on Settings. After you click on Settings in here, simply click on Alerts and Reports. Then click on Reports at the top. Here, you'll find Crash. Click on Crash. And turn Show on Map and Alert while driving on. Make sure both the circle are on the right side, which means it is turned on and you will get Crash Alert. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to get Crash Alert on Waze app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.